Pauline Luna is the epitome of a happy wife, happy life. At ang beautiful wife ni Bossing Vic Soto, masaya ring sumabak sa Bookingan Challenge at nag-share pa ng kanilang travel at baby plans. Let's watch this.
Pag-ibig na tunay, matatag at puno ng inspirasyon. Ganyan ang relasyon ng Itbulaga power couple na sina Bossing Vic Soto at Pauline Luna. This morning, si Mrs. Soto ang ating makakachika about love, life, and travel. Hilig daw talaga ng mag-asawa ang pag-road trip and traveling. Kaya naman ngayong malapit ng mag-summer, mas excited daw silang maglibot.
It's very good for us. Especially, we work every day. Maganda yung nagbe-break ka once in a while.
Sa dami na ng kanilang napuntahan, saan naman kaya ang pinaka-memorable?
Yung last trip namin, we went to Africa. Kasi it was a different experience. We were able to meet the Maasai people of Africa.
Pero busy man sila sa traveling and career. Alam niyo bang prioridad din daw nila ngayon ang magka-baby?
Working on it. Yes, working on it. Sana, hopefully this year. Kung ilan lang dumating. Kung mas marami, mas okay, syempre.
Para mas exciting ang ating morning, sumabak si Pauline sa iba't iba nating challenge. Unang hamon, nagpakita kami ng iba't ibang larawan at ikinuwento niya ang istorya nito. Picture number 1.
This is my family. I really make it a point na every Sunday sana, or kung hindi man Sunday, isang araw sa isang linggo, magkita kami. So this was taken at home. They visited me.
Picture number 2.
This one, our Eat Bulaga family. I joined Eat Bulaga, I was 16. I'm 28 now. So, medyo matagal na.
And picture number 3.
Si Pia. I've been friends with her since I was 12 and she was 11. Siya yung matatawag kong kaibigan na kahit hindi kayo palagi nag-uusap, pag nakita kayo, parang kahapon lang kayo nagkita.
Ikalawang hamon, Bossing o Poleng. Sasabihin niya kung sino sa kanila ang nagtataglay ng sasabihin naming katangian. Una, sino ang mas mahilig mag-surprise?
Yung 60th birthday niya. Well, that was me and his children. Pero doon na-surprise siya talaga kasi hindi niya naman alam niya.
Ikalawa, sino ang mas matagal maligo?
Siya. Very OC siya with cleanliness. Hindi siya umaapak ng sahig nang walang tsinelas. Ayaw niya nang nababasa yung paa niya.
At ikatlo, sino ang mas malambing?
Pareho. Pareho. Hindi lang halata sa kanya, pero he's very, very malambing. Especially pag nasa bahay, before sleeping, when...
Hashtag relationship goals talaga sina Pauline at Vic. Mensahe ni Pauline sa kanyang asawa.
Just want to thank you for being very patient and for being very loving and for always making me laugh. Thank you, and I love you.